Hello, Abhijit sir. How are you?
Okay, I'm very good. How are you doing?
I'm also good. So, Abhijit sir, I have searched your Global Answer and it's doing a really great job. So, how did you got the idea and how you started your Global Answer venture and what is the idea behind it?
Okay. So basically, we started Global Answers in our third semester of our college only. So at that time, like it was like 2014, and at that time, it was not very obvious that a person can send money electronically. That too between two countries. Okay, so I got introduced to freelancing, and that's where our first money in USD came in, and that's when we actually realized that okay, there could be real transactions in different currencies between multiple countries. So I always wanted to be a businessman, and I had this in mind that okay, I have to do some kind of business. But that's when it struck that okay, we can do something like that. So when we started Global Answers, it was not what it is today. Of course, we had a different idea, and we started with providing multiple freelance service on a single platform. So that's where we started. And when we were doing that, so me and Arushi, so there was my colleague, Arushi, same batch, same college. So we started working together, and we realized that there are certain loopholes into freelancing. So the few loopholes are very simple. That if you are a person and you are going on a freelancing platform to get, let's say, design service or something, first of all, you need to have knowledge to choose the right candidate, which generally people don't have. In the similar fashion, there were several other problems that we realized that a freelancing kind of model has, especially when it comes to the big brands or a business which is very serious and want to build into a brand that cannot simply rely on a freelancing platform. So that's where we created something like Global Answers, and we started giving more professional and multiple service on a single platform, where we used to map the minds of the business owners and their vision that okay, what they want to achieve. For that, what kind of expertise they would need, and we choose those kind of expertise and allow them to get the services done by those people. So that was the initial model when we actually started, and that's how the idea started. And there was a long journey around like 6.5 years now. We have modified a lot in terms of our model. We've innovated a lot of things, and that's how our journey started.
Yes, great journey start होनी चाहिए आगे अपने आप बढ़ जाती है. So initially, how are when members of your global lancers and does it increase it with by year? How many members are you still having, or what did you take a vision to grow, and in what ways do you want to grow as a global lancer in future?
Okay. So initially we two people started, me and Arushi. So that's how the journey got started, and then we work with a lot of. So होता क्या है ना कि अगर आप कॉलेज में हो और आपके पास कोई आइडिया है, तो आप सबसे पहले अपने दोस्तों के साथ काम करना स्टार्ट करते हो. So in my journey, I worked with all of my best friends, all of my like most of my juniors, seniors, all the kind of people I shared. For a few days we worked, and because that was very initial time, and the first person you can approach is the people around you. So we two people started, and then we grew to the team of around 20 people within a year. But then we got more serious about the business, and that's where we many people realized okay, this is not something we would want to pursue. So people again got out of our business, and then again we were reduced to 4 or 5 people only, which were mainly working. And then we realized that okay, we need to hire some serious people and do the proper HR procedure, and that was a learning time when we realized that how to hire people. Then we started hiring people, and also we were mainly community focused at that time. Like we were not the people who were doing all the work. We always had a vision of growing together. So we built a community, and within like 2 years we were the community of around 100 plus people all over India who are working to deliver the services to different clients. And yeah, so we were, if I say at the end of the 2 year, we were like 5, 6 people working, and then the other people, 100 people, were the kind of freelancers or part time workers that we were having. Then going further into our journey, so currently we have innovated our model to work only for B2B people. So we mainly work for businesses only, and we work for serious brands only. So we are not like any other IT agency or any other we would say freelance kind of business. We work for very serious businesses who want to take their brand to a bigger level, who have at least 2 to 5 years plan. And so our contract is like minimum 1 year contract, and that's so it's a bit of what how we work now. So what coming to here is that we now have a team of around 20 people, all in house. And apart from that, we have again a lot of people into our community which help us whenever needed. So that was a long journey building a team. So I say that if you are doing any venture or if you are doing your own startup, the biggest thing that you need to really focus on is team, because team is the core pillar. If you don't have a good team, if you don't have people you can rely on, if you don't have people who can be responsible about something, it's very hard to scale a startup.
Yeah, really, really. और ये टेक्नोलॉजी के वर्ल्ड में तो टीम सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करती है. So in COVID situation, did you face any increase in your मतलब आपके काम में कुछ इंक्रीज आया या आपके टीम्स में क्या चेंजेस आए? आपका ऑफिस रेगुलर है या आप घर से ही सबसे काम करवाते हैं? उसका क्या सीन है?
ओके, सो कोविड जब स्टार्ट हुआ तो हमारे लिए भी डिफिकल्ट था जैसे सबके लिए था, बिकॉज सब लोग डरे हुए थे. तो फर्स्ट 2 3 4 वीक्स वर वेरी बैड फॉर लाइक आवर बिजनेस ऑल्सो, बिकॉज पीपल वर ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड कि होने क्या वाला है. तो जो भी क्लाइंट्स थे उन्होंने अपने बजट्स खींच लिए कि ठीक है सिर्फ जो ज़रूरी है वो करो. तो दैट वर डिफिकल्ट. बट देन लाइक वी से अबाउट ग्लोबल आंसर्स दैट वी डोंट सेल, वी सॉल्व. सो हमने भी हमारे खुद के लिए यही किया कि वी वर इनटू अ प्रॉब्लम एंड देन वी थॉट दैट कि हम इससे बाहर कैसे निकाल सकते हैं. ठीक है प्रॉब्लम है पर अपॉर्चुनिटी क्या है. सो दैट्स वेयर वी फिगर्ड आउट कि क्या अपॉर्चुनिटी है. हर तरफ डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की बात हो रही थी, लोग अपने आप डिजिटल कैसे जाएं वो सोचने लगे थे. उनको समझाने की अब ज़रूरत नहीं थी कि डिजिटल क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है. So that's where we found the opportunity, and in next 3 to 4 months we signed some really good deal. So in the COVID times we had around 3 to 4x growth, and currently also we are having a lot of vacancies. So like our team could expand to 30 in next 1 month. So this is the current situation. So I would say COVID came as a something really good for our company, and it really helped us scale. So for us, it was very good business wise. Talking about like how is the office? So of course we are not all working from office now. So earlier it was all work from home, fully work from home. But then after like I think in September or October we started coming to office. The one thing that we really missed was of course the office culture, and the problem that we faced was mainly on the creative end, because the zeal that people have while sitting together and working on the ideas, doing the whiteboarding, मतलब बैठे हैं 4 4 5 5 घंटे प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, फिगर आउट कर रहे हैं, ये सब चीज़ें वीडियो कॉल पे नहीं हो सकती. Video call is more exhausting than physical interaction. That is what I personally feel, and my team felt that thing. So yeah, that was a problem for us. And now we are planning कि ठीक अभी भी we are not all working from office. So around 50%, 60 or 50 40% people अभी भी work from home कर रहे हैं. But अभी next 2 3 months में हम चाह रहे हैं कि सारे लोग वापस ऑफिस आए काम करें.
ऑफिस कल्चर प्लेज एन इम्पोर्टेंट रोल, और कोविड में हमें उस कल्चर का बिल्कुल भी मजा नहीं आया, लेकिन ठीक है हमें उन सिचुएशन से भी गो थ्रू करना पड़ा. व्हाट आर द रेगुलर टीम एक्टिविटीज यू फॉलो, और व्हाट एप्स डू यू यूज so to optimize your team time or working time? Do you have any suggestion?
सो कोविड के टाइम्स में जब नहीं थे ऑफिस तब तो हम सिंपली वीडियो कॉल्स करते थे. फिर वीडियो कॉल्स पे बातें करना और समझना कि वहाँ का क्या हाल है, यहाँ का क्या हाल है. तो इस तरह की टीम एक्टिविटीज़ होती है. आई वोंट से दैट कुछ ज़्यादा होता था कोविड के टाइम्स में, बिकॉज उस टाइम पे सब कुछ वी वर ट्राइंग टू मैनेज एंड डू थिंग्स. तो ज़्यादा टीम एक्टिविटीज़ ऐसा सच नहीं होती थी. और वीडियो जब मैंने बोला कि वी पर्सनली फील कि वो थोड़ा एग्जॉस्टिंग होता है, तो हम ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं स्पेंड करते थे. बट व्हेन वी रिटर्न टू ऑफिस, तो जनरली हमारे ऑफिस में फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ बोर्ड गेम्स. तो हमारे लिए जो सैटरडे होता है या फिर फ्राइडे इवनिंग होती है, दैट इज़ मोर लाइक अ फन इवनिंग. तो उस टाइम पे हमारे ऑफिस में टेबल टेनिस है, हमारे ऑफिस में स्क्रैबल है, ओथेलो है. तो वी प्ले अ लॉट ऑफ बोर्ड गेम्स इन आवर ऑफिस. अनदर थिंग दैट वी डू इज कि कुछ कुछ एक्टिविटीज हम लोग करते हैं. जैसे हमारे यहाँ पर बोर्ड्स है, तो व्हाट वी डू इज कि हम आंखों पे पट्टी बांध देते हैं और मोबाइल को बोलते हैं कि ठीक है पंखा बनाओ.
हाँ.
तो बिना देखे जब वो बोर्ड पे पंखा बनाता है तो पता नहीं क्या क्या बनता है. So these are the kind of fun activities. फिर एक हमारे फील्ड में एक बहुत ऐसे फनी सा आपने कई बार लिंक्डइन पे भी देखा होगा कि ऐसा कहा जाता है कि क्लाइंट क्या एक्सपेक्ट करता है और अल्टीमेटली जब तक वो डेवलपर तक पहुंचता है तो पता नहीं क्या बनता है. तो ऐसे पेपर रख के कुछ ड्रॉ करते हैं, ऐसे 3-4 लोगों की चेन होती है और फिर कुछ और ही बनता है. तो यार ऐसे ऐसे कुछ गेम्स होते हैं, हमेशा कुछ नया नया ढूंढते रहते हैं. ऐसे कुछ पर्टिकुलर नहीं है कि हम हर बार रिपीट करते हैं. डिपेंडिंग ऑन क्या मूड है टीम का, क्या तैयारी है, उस बेसिस पे भी प्ले सच गेम्स. सो मेनली सब फिजिकल होता है, नथिंग रिलेटेड टू कंप्यूटर्स. क्योंकि हमारा सारा कंप्यूटर्स पे है, तो वी ट्राई कि ठीक है अब हम कंप्यूटर पे ना काम करके नॉर्मली करें.
हाँ, सीरियसली ब्रेन बहुत ज्यादा कंफ्यूज हो जाता है अपने काम में, तो एक हेल्दी ब्रेन को गेम्स चाहिए होता है. इट्स वेरी राइट कल्चर योर ट्रेनिंग एंड गोइंग थ्रू. तो आपको बिटौसा ग्लोबल कॉन्क्लेव में जो अवार्ड मिला था, तो उसका आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा? वहां पर आपको वापस जाने का मौका मिला और वो भी एक अवार्ड सेरेमनी में, तो उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
बिटोजा एक बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था. और लकीली जैसे ही हम ग्रेजुएट हुए थे और हमको है ना बिटोसा ग्लोबल कॉन्क्लेव ऑर्गेनाइज करने का मौका मिला. सो हम लोगों ने वहाँ पर मतलब ग्लोबल कॉन्क्लेव था, काफ़ी सारे लोग आए थे, सारे बीआईटी से जुड़े हुए बहुत बड़े बड़े लोग वर देयर. एंड दैट वाज अ ह्यूज कॉन्क्लेव. So of course that was a great experience getting an award in front of so many, 2.5 years into our startup already. So that was a great feeling getting an award from such prestigious people. And yeah, that's all.
So it was really nice knowing Global Lancer and your venture idea. So a big all the best to you for your career. And my last question is, how was your experience on Pragati Success Story?
Your voice.
Pragati Success Story. Your experience on Pragati Success Story.
Okay. So like I shared, so when you approached me, I actually went to your channel and checked out few videos. So सबसे अच्छी बात जो मुझे लगी वो यही था कि यहाँ के कन्वर्सेशन थोड़े से ग्राउंडेड थे. हवाबाजी थोड़ी कम थी और रियल प्रैक्टिकल कन्वर्सेशन थोड़ी ज़्यादा थी. कैंडिड था थोड़ा. तो दैट वाज द बेस्ट थिंग दैट आई फाउंड अबाउट प्रगति सक्सेस स्टोरीज. And apart from meeting you, knowing like I already know Sumesh, and then knowing that okay you are the one doing that, so it's a great thing. So congratulations to you for such a great work, and thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to be here.
Thank you, sir, Abhijit, sir, and all the very best for your future. Stay safe and stay healthy.